Desire, can you send this to Dennis, Angela, please, as well?
Yeah.
Just see if they want to join.
देखी मैंने मैंने देखी है उसने.
How is the weather like, guys, where you are? Hot, cold?
uh, it's little hot.
What's the temperature like?
It's
Should be 35, I guess. 30.
35. 35 is
Yeah.
not too bad.
Yeah. How's it
Uh,
at UK?
Here, man, it's 30 this week is going to be hot, but 30 here is so hot. We are not used to this.
It's like we usually have 35 in July, but
Flipping
I think
hell, that's a
this,
lot.
yeah, yeah, this month is quite good. We get a lot of rain and weather is cool down.
Here in UK, for the first time in God knows how long, it's not rained for 2 whole months.
Oh goodness. Yeah.
Yeah, and here
I
normally
think
it
weather
used to be
is
same.
changing everywhere. Yeah, weather is changing everywhere.
Um, so have you guys moved it all to the server now?
Yes, I think production is ready. Shami, production is ready.
yeah, it's ready. Just only want to redirect the URL of front end.
Jason, did you see the chat on Fiverr? Like we have sent you a DNS record that you need to put in.
Okay.
Once that's done, I think we will be live. You just need to put that DNS, and that is it. Let me resend that email.
Okay, please resend it, and I will get it done in about an hour.
There we go. I've just resent it.
Okay, perfect. And then in
Why did
terms
you?
of for us, so we need to do this first, and then it's live, right?
Come again?
I mean, I still need to add this C name record, and then it's live.
Yes, correct.
Okay, cool.
Whenever you, yeah, whenever you make it published, we go live automatically.
Okay, perfect. No, that's good. Now, guys, if you don't mind, if you can just run me through the platform one more time. I have the Sarah here, and she will see how the process runs, like kind of a demo, so she understands, and you explain it better than I do. And then I guess we need to add
Mhm.
everything else on it.
I got it. Shamir, can you or anyone uh, from here can give the demo? This all or show a lot? Please go ahead. Share your screen and yeah.
Yes, please give me. Wait. Um, Let me share my screen. Is it visible?
The Sarah,
Yeah.
you
Okay.
can see it, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
By the way, you can also record this session if you need to, and if you have any
Yes,
question,
please.
you can just let us know. Right?
If someone can record this and send it to me as well, please, that would be very, very helpful.
Sure. Shamir, you can record. Right?
Achha.
If someone else can
Okay, I
record,
will
because
log
on
in with.
mine it doesn't work.
Yeah, no problem. Shamir is recording,
Yeah.
and if you
Okay.
have any question, you can let us know during the demo. Yeah?
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay, I will start by logging in with admin. I will log in with super
Is it
admin. Uh, I think yeah, this is it right now. Okay, this here we have dashboard where we have some stats on the top here, these graphs, and you can check out these things. Here we have the categories page where we add categories, add it, delete them, and everything. And then we have products here. We create a product uh, from here. I will show you by adding a new product. Mm, Selling price and unit price. So here we select a unit. For example, if it is in kg or liter or anything, we can select that here. I will keep this one in units, and then here we have pack size. For as for there was one product surprise which Jason said we send them in packs of 24. For such products, we added this feature. Here you can enter 24 like this, and here I will do something like
Let's say three, four.
here.
Yeah, stock.
3 or 4. No, it's not like that. Here you have to, if this is 24, this has to be it's multiple. Like now it can be sold like in 2 or 4. Okay.
One
We,
second. So I just want to check. Just want to check this one.
okay.
Stock.
If I
Does that count the case of 24, or does it count one case of 24, or does it, or do we have to put, let's say, three, which would be 72?
okay, if I keep it like if I put here 48 and then we sell two of these and size is pack size is this, it will deduct all of these. The stock will be 0. And if we sell
One,
one, yeah,
one second. Can you put two in stock? Try two.
okay, like this.
Yeah. Would that work?
No, we have to keep it like here. If we keep the stock too, then we have to decrease this one pack size. For
Well, the
example,
pack size, because we want to put in stock how many cases we have. So we would have 10 cases of 24.
okay,
Or do we
okay,
have to put, do we need to put the cans in stock? Because that's something that I'm not understanding.
Yeah,
right now you have to put the cans in the stock.
Is there any way we can do that? We put the cases, because even the teams are going to order cases. They will order 24 at once, but then when the system deducts them, it does it
Hmm.
one at a time.
Okay, so we will have to make some changes for that. Right now, what we have done is you have to put the number of cans here.
Yeah, because yeah, counting the cans will be too hard, because
Hmm.
it will be hundreds and hundreds
Yeah,
of these.
sure.
So if you could do that, please just write that down.
Yes, okay, I will note it down and we'll fix that.
Yeah, cool.
Mhm. And here you can select any category.
Yeah.
Yeah, tax. Mm, okay, we can leave this one empty for now. Now here we have the product we created. So when we open this drop down, you see here we have all the batches of this product. Currently we have only one which we added when creating a product. This is the quantity we added. This is the remaining. If you want to add more stock in it or more batches, we can add from here. From here we can add new batch with new price, with new quantity. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is another view of this page. Okay. Now I will try to order this product for a shop. Here we have
Uh, if is there any chance you can log in from the shop account, not from the main user if you can?
from the. Okay, now I am logged in with the shop owner's account.
Yeah.
Here we have all the products. Okay, I will try to order. Okay, wait. Let me let me assign that product to that shop. I think we did not include that shop in here.
Yeah, makes sense.
Hmm. Uh, which shop is it? Which shop? Now we should see that product here. Here you see. Okay, I will order all the quantity, which is 2 packs of 24 cans. Okay, here. And now we go to the cart. And here we have that product. We can select it, and this is the price. And here you can see per unit prices as well. Okay, I will place this order. Okay, now this
And then
order
yeah,
is,
you did not auto assign the driver, which makes sense. Yeah.
yeah, it's not okay. There's one more thing, that when you create a shop, we assign it a default driver, so that you
Yeah, yeah,
cannot.
yeah.
Yeah, you know that, right? And here you
Can
can
you
yeah.
yeah,
What?
if you go now, now what I want to see is the stock in the shop, the stock that this shop has. Can you show me that, please? So if you
Hmm. This is the product we just bought. Okay, and this is the quantity we ordered. Nothing is delivered yet,
yeah,
and
makes sense.
this is all the other details. Status is in
Okay.
transit.
So let's say I want to edit the stock that I have. For some reasons, one of my staff was stealing, or someone you like the stock, like something is wrong with the stock, is not matching. We have to check that twice a month. How do I edit that?
Okay, you go to, okay, once the order is placed, then you cannot edit it. But once it's delivered, and then if the quantity is not same as you ordered, then you can request. We added a checklist. I will show you later. But once the
Oh
order
yeah,
is,
for the driver. No, I
yeah.
understand that, but for
Hmm.
example, during the month, during a whole month in the shop,
Hmm.
um, there is gonna be I don't know. The staff will drink a few cans of Coke. One nacho cheese tin, one cheese bag will go missing, and when we do the stock count manually, we check each one of them, and we are like, we should have had 3 cases of Coke or 5 bottles of water. How
Hmm.
is it gonna be? How and I but in the stock system it says 10. How do I change that? How do I like manually change it to the right number so I see the stock difference?
You cannot do that right now, because if you do that, that changes the calculation everywhere. To for example, we have to change it in where the driver delivered for his orders calculation as well. That is not done yet.
I understand. Look, the whole process runs smoothly. The shop orders, driver delivers it.
Yeah.
But for some reason, sometimes when they are cooking, they don't put the stuff right in the system, and
Mhm.
there will be stuff that doesn't match in the system. We need a way for us to be able to change that.
Okay, so you want to be able to change the quantity of product anytime, right? You.
Yes. So, for example, you see how it says here, if you go right to the start, sorry.
Mhm.
So you see how units, like at the end of the month, I want to be able every month to check how many I have in stock, and then what's the difference, because there is going to be changes.
Yes, sure, we can do that, but uh, if we do that, and what will happen is that you, even if the driver delivered, uh, if like 48 units of cans were ordered and the driver delivered 24, okay, the driver did not deliver all of those. He missed someone, some, and then delivered a few. You want to edit that to whatever you want.
Is once a month. Once a month, I want to be able to do a stock check. Is anyone else here can just please give a better explanation than I did?
It's not about the orders specifically. It's at the end of the month when we do these checks that we have to have a manual adjustment that goes in, whether it's wastage or
Okay,
whatever it might be. There has to be a way that we can then add in a different adjustment on top of the orders
okay, yeah,
that we
I get it
can
now.
that agrees to what we've actually got in stores.
Okay, so for that we'll leave these things as they are, and
Yeah.
okay, we'll give another feature or column here where you can enter new numbers or adjust the stocks as you want. Okay.
Is
Perfect.
this where
And
will we be able to see the end of month totals?
Sorry, what?
So that this part here, the product orders, is this not going to show each order that we've placed?
No, yeah, it will show for each order, but right now you cannot change these numbers.
No, that's fine. But then
Uh,
how do we easily see at the end of the month what our stock is for each product?
Here, now here you see
That's
when
fine.
the drop down is closed, here you see the total ordered and total delivered. When
Okay,
it
amazing. That's fine.
opens,
So then
mhm,
in that, then that's it. We just need another column that says,
yeah,
or another line that we can do a manual adjustment for, so that our current stock actually agrees to what we've got in each store.
yes, sure, uh, sure, we'll do that.
and
And
if there is a way that we can get these, for example, current stock, you see how it is current stock? If we could have a way that we just click and it gives us as a PDF version. And then what I do, I get that PDF and I send it to the shop and they manually check it and they say 5 bags of cheese. There is not five, is four. They put it the difference. And then once it comes back to us, we manually adjust it.
okay, so PDF of here.
Of the current stock, because ideally we would do stock counts twice a month and then maybe we'll move it to once a month.
Sure, but for each product or for all of these, on one
You
click
know,
you
for the
want to.
whole shop, yeah, all products in the shop.
Yes, sure, I will write that down as well.
Perfect.
We do. Okay, so you understand everything here, right? Now,
Yes.
Vishal, one more thing.
uh,
I was thinking about it. So whenever we do the adjusted entries, it should add it as an, like there should be a way to log the adjusted entries because that is not the sale, right? That is something that they have wasted.
Yeah,
yeah,
something,
So it
yeah,
should
something
not
that is
affect
not
their
logged.
revenues. Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
We'll just
Okay.
show them here. It will
Perfect.
not.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's go back to the order we created. This was the order, right? Here you can see all the details, items and everything. Now I will go to the admin's account and assign this to a driver.
Yeah,
Uh,
just for the Sarah and my team, you can assign a driver for each shop. So when you
mm,
create the shop, you automatically assign it all to Yesir's account, and then they can see it automatically. You don't have to do it each one. This is an option for like when you grow more and you have a few drivers, then you just do it manually.
exactly. Okay, this is the order. I will assign it to a driver. Let's see this one. So now I will log in with the driver. Mm, So this is the driver's dashboard. Here we have all the stats for the driver, and these are all the orders of that driver.
Yeah.
This is the new order we just created.
Yeah. Can you just do a change for us? So let's say you want to put only one got delivered, only one product got delivered instead of two.
Mhm. So here we have, when user driver wants to deliver it, they have to click here. This is the items in the order. This is the quantity that was ordered, and
Yeah.
they if they
24.
okay, I will enter 24. If they do this, they have to explain it. They have to give the reason.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm. So so, something like that. Okay,
Yeah. Perfect. Cool.
I will hit complete, and this order
And then
is.
if you go back to the shop now,
Mhm. If I go back to the shop,
delivery order.
yeah,
Yeah. If you
this
go to
is
orders.
orders. Okay, this is the order. Delivered
Yeah.
items.
Check that.
Yeah, you see 24
If we
units.
okay, what if
Mhm.
the driver delivered it wrong? Can the staff change that?
Not right now. We do
Yeah,
not
if
have.
we could have an option, please, just because what will happen sometimes the driver is rushing and he will make a mistake. I still want the shop to be able to confirm that.
Okay, so you want to.
Same as what driver, so you just need them to do a tick.
Okay, so I will write this down as well. Mm,
Angela, that's okay. I believe you want a second check from the
mm.
staff in the shop.
Yeah, the shop owner can also change the amount delivered, the units delivered. Okay.
Yes, please. Yeah, perfect.
Mhm. Okay, so this was for shop owner, and now let's see in the shop. This was the product we ordered. Here you can see total delivered this, current stock this.
Yeah,
So if the shop staff changes the order and its quantity delivered, it will be changed everywhere. Okay, here too.
yeah, makes sense. Yeah,
Wait, sorry. I was gonna respond to that. What was I gonna say is, if let's say we order something but the driver delivers something else, I'm assuming, does it make sense for us just to put the item as missing, and then there should just be an option for us to be able to add extra items delivered, because it's not just them by taking something by accident, but they constantly sometimes do bring extra stuff that is not ordered. So I think rather than that, just an option that we can add extra items delivered.
Okay, right now we do not have any such options, but if you want, we can here when the shop owner changes the quantity, we can also let them change or add new
add.
products.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, that would be great, please.
So you want the shop staff to be able to add or change the products delivered.
Yes, please.
Okay, yeah, let's go back to the shop. This is, yeah, here the status is updated and the quantity delivered and ordered, everything is updated. So this is now everything happened locally. Nothing was like deducted from the square. Okay,
Okay, yeah,
and
makes sense.
here now here I am logged in with admin. I will go to square. Here I will link a shop from square to our local shop for which we just ordered some products. This was the shop. This is the label, and we will have to connect some products as well.
Yeah. No, I understand this bit. It's fine. I can explain this to them.
Okay, so I will leave it for now. Okay.
Yeah.
And what else do you want me to show?
I think now is quite clear.
Mhm.
Perfect. So what we will have to do is I will put the C name on the domain, and then hopefully that goes live. Then we will just need the link and whatever ways to log in. Do these shops and this data stays the same, or we need to create them from the start one more time?
No, you will have to create it from start because this domain, this is our development environment.
Yeah, no.
No.
Makes sense. It's
Mhm.
completely clear. No worries. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. If you could send us this recording, make these changes, please. I will do the thing, and then let's try and go live today. And then, yeah, we get it all sorted, and so you guys, everyone is happy.
Sure, we'll send you the recording.
Just before anyone from my team has any other question or anything.
So do we need like a specific login? Like, are we gonna get
They
are
will
you
send that to
an
us. They will
admin
send that
login
to
or
us. Yeah, they will send that to us. They will give us a super user, and then we take it from there.
so will there be different logins for the driver unit?
Yeah, like that. We have to create them all. I will show you how to do that. It's fine.
Okay.
Anything else in the way how the platform is going to work?
No, I think once we try it out as well, it'll be easier to see what questions we have.
Yeah, I was gonna
Cool.
say the same. Once we start using it, then obviously stuff gonna come up, but we will just have to bring them up.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Abdul, and the whole team, Shamir.
No worries.
Thank you for your help. And then what we'll do is I will add that, like I said, and then let's try and get everything sorted. We will be working on it today all day. So yeah, if we just be in touch and then get it over the line.
Perfect, amazing. Just one thing before we leave. Please update the DNS that I've sent you on Fiverr. Once
Yeah.
that is done, then we will go live, right?
Okay,
So
perfect. I will
hopefully
change
that
that
will
literally. Give me 50 minutes, and that will be the first thing I will do once I'm back in office.
amazing, perfect. Do let me know once that is done because I have
Yeah,
to reach
perfect.
from our
Will
side.
do.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Amazing.
much,
Thank you
guys.
so much for your time. Thanks. Bye.
Cheers.
Thank you
Bye,
so
bye, bye.
much. Bye bye.